It helped a lot to sign up for the sites myself and just play around and look what happens. And then I realized these sounds and this excitement and whatever, and picked up some terms that they use there that you basically cannot find these terms if you don't use the product for yourself. And it helped a lot for sure. Like just to understand what it is that they want, and then just give it to him.
When I was starting in this industry, I was not understanding why affiliates are even testing the product, because I was not understanding how the backend is influencing the rest. Then when I started, there was no CPA, there was no CPL in dating, at least not in our company. It was purely rev share.
Oh,
So of course, it was important for the affiliate to understand how the product is in the backend, to optimize the entire funnel and the email already to the backend, because if they are kind of misleading, what would maybe be okay for like a CPL or a CPA, at least for some time being, until your KPIs are not matching anymore and you got cut. But for the beginning, it would be okay. Then you maybe have like a high conversion rate, but nobody will buy. So it's better that your conversion rate goes down by like 20%, but your payment rate inside goes up by 50%.
yeah.
So that was something that I didn't understood why they wanted to see the backend in the beginning, and then it comes with the experience, and you know exactly what they want to know. And when they ask you something, you as the affiliate manager also have to know the product. I mean, there is too many affiliate managers out there that don't even understand the product. That's something, if you are like a big network, okay. If you have like hundreds of different advertisers, you cannot know everything by heart. But there are also people that are working for affiliate programs and they have 20 offers and they are practically the same, just with a small tweak. And they don't know even what is proper behind that, because they never logged in. They never tested it.